I'm sure you've heard the news. Space is a weird place. But did you know black holes can burp? Picture this, black holes are like cosmic vacuum cleaners, gobbling up anything that gets too close. But sometimes they eat a burp. Scientists call this a black hole burp, but it's really them blasting out energy after a big meal. It's like cosmic indigestion. These burps can shoot out jets of particles and light at nearly the speed of light. Who knew black holes had such bad table manners? So next time you're feeling full, just remember, even the universe needs to let out a burp now and then. Stay curious, space fans.